In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Emboss feature in Fusion 360 step by step, so you can add raised or engraved designs onto flat or curved surfaces like a pro. Whether you're working on logos, text, or custom patterns, Emboss is one of the most useful tools for adding detail to your models. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Fusion 360 and either create a new model or open an existing one. For this example, you'll want to make sure you have a solid body to work with. A cylinder works great if you want to see how Emboss behaves on a curved surface, but this also works perfectly fine on flat faces. Next, we need to create a sketch. Go up to the toolbar, click on Create Sketch, and select a plane. Once you're in the sketch environment, you can draw anything you want to emboss. This could be text, a logo, or any custom shape. For example, you can select the text tool and type something out, or use basic sketch tools like lines and circles to create your design. Once your sketch is ready, go ahead and click Finish Sketch at the top. Now we're ready to apply the Emboss feature. Go up to the Create menu, scroll down, and click on Emboss. This will open the Emboss tool panel. First, you'll need to select the profile. Click on the sketch elements you just created, whether it's text or shapes. After that, select the face where you want the emboss to appear. This can be a flat face or a curved one, like the outside of a cylinder. Now comes an important step, choosing the type. You'll see options like Emboss and deboss. Emboss will raise the design outward from the surface, while deboss or sages will cut or engrave the design into the surface. Choose the one that fits your project. Next, set the depth. This controls how high or deep the feature will be. You can enter a value manually or drag the arrow in the preview to adjust it visually. Take your time here to get the exact look you want. Once everything looks good, click OK. Fusion 360 will apply the emboss to your model and you'll instantly see the result on your surface. Here's a quick tip to keep in mind. Emboss works best when your sketch is properly sized and positioned relative to the surface, especially when working with curved faces. If your design looks stretched or distorted, try adjusting the sketch placement or size before applying the emboss. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Emboss in Fusion 360 to create raised or engraved details on your models. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.